Hey guys, it's Devin with Backyard Projects, and today I have some sad news. So I have tried to be as environmentally friendly as possible, but I have rabbits and I've kept them around. Like, they've been doing good, like, you know, they have their spot, I have mine, but now they're like attacking my plants. And like, not just like regular plants, no, they're going after like all of my tropical plants. They've eaten 2 bird of paradises. And if they were actually eating it, that'd be different. But they're just like eating it at the bottom of the stalk and then they just fall over. So they've killed 2 of those and they're going after some other plants, after my hostas. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up a couple of live traps and I'll just let them free at a park somewhere. So I'm trying to do it as humane as possible. I really was trying to like let it slide and let it go, but it's not working. Because if you think about it, like, it's gonna cost some money to replace the stuff that they killed. So anyway, alright, so let me show you the 2 traps that I bought. Alright, so the 2 traps that I bought is just a double-sided, both doors open and close. It catches squirrels, rabbits, and skunks. I don't have a skunk problem, thank God, but I do have a squirrel and a rabbit problem. So I went ahead and just bought them. I got it at Southern Ag, and like I said, trying to do it as humane as possible. So the way it works is these little 2 doors open, like that, okay, and then they balance. It's like that, and a little squirrel or whatever, like hits this little trap door. Well, you know what? There we go. And then it closes. So the way it works is that it uses the weight of the rabbits to close it. I'm hoping that it'll work. So I kind of got a variety of food. Got some baby carrots, obviously. Then I got some mini pop with like little corn stalks. I might be able to catch some squirrels with that one. Don't mind the squirrels, but they get into my bird feeder and throw bird seed everywhere, which then I have bird seed on the ground, which is anyway. And then I got some like sweet little rabbit food. And like I even got some yogurt ones. I don't know, I'm just gonna set them up and put them out and see what happens. So, alright, I'm gonna do a little test. So I'm gonna put one with just carrots and then I'll do another one with the fancy food and just see. And I'll show you the places that I'm gonna put it. So let's see. Alright, let's go set them up. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it up. Then we're just gonna have it sit there like that. Oh. Just like that. I'm gonna make sure that these on top are laying down like that, because whenever it closes, it holds the lid down to where they can't just crawl back out of it. And on this one, we're gonna put some carrots. Hopefully I can do this without setting it off. Just like that. Just like that. And I'm gonna put it kind of over here. Gonna kind of put it right there, just kind of keep it hidden. And then I'm gonna put the other one behind those bushes where it likes to attack my bird of paradise. There we go. Alright, so now that trap is all set. Again, guys, I really have tried to just be patient. I was gonna try some like rabbit repellent, but the problem is I have so many plants that it would be almost impossible to be able to spray everything. Let me just show you some of the damage they've done. Look at that. Like, they're just like eating right in the middle. And like every morning I see like little sticks laying around. Here, they've eaten the bird of paradise all the way down to the ground. And then on this one, they did the same thing. Like that one's basically died. So anyway, I also have some hostas Oh, let me show this. See, they're just eating everything. So anyway, I'm gonna let them go in a park somewhere. Or, we have a place here in Tulsa called like Turkey Mountain. Probably let them out there. Just somewhere like out in the wilderness. But anyway, I worked really hard to try to get wildlife in here. Like turtles, stuff like that. But they're just, I think I have a whole family of them, and so they're just going crazy. So, alright, so I'll follow up. They usually come out in the evening or early morning, so I bet by tomorrow morning I will have a couple of rabbits. I know I have a baby and a couple of parents, but alright, so wish me luck. So I am going to let this little guy go and hope and pray that he doesn't come after me. There he goes. All right, one down, one more to go. Please don't come back and bite me. Go. Go, 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 go. There you go. Oh no, he's coming back to my truck. He doesn't look like he's in too good a health. But hey, I did my due diligence, whatever you want to call that. I tried to help out. I don't think he's gonna make it, but it's like way out in the middle of nowhere. So hopefully he will have a better home than my backyard. Is it bad like the whole time that I was trying to get in my truck, I was like, please don't bite me, I'm just trying to do good. Anyway, all right, so now I've got to go to work. All right, so here is to try and catch a rabbit, not mice. I mean, I guess mice is okay to catch too, but I mean, I would rather catch my rabbit that's eating my plants. But anyway, all right, so off to the next one.